Hi, I just wanted to do a quick take for you on the John Bolton indictment. Bolton is the former national security advisor to Trump. Held a lot of other titles as well. Very experienced in that area. Has been a very outspoken critic of Trump. So he, of course, made it on Trump's enemies list. I just got off a network appearance. That's why I'm all dressed up. And one of the questions was, is the Bolton indictment different than these really weak, bogus ones of Comey and Letitia James? And the question was posed, is it law enforcement or is it lawfare? And I disagreed with another panelist who was a former prosecutor. I said, this is lawfare. And we'll be hearing a lot about the indictment. We'll put up a CNN link. You can take a look at that, everything you need to know about the merits of it. But I wanted to focus a little bit about why I think you can tell that this is lawfare, that's still bogus. And the main reason is there's this doctrine called the presumption of regularity. All that means is in courts, they give a presumption of good faith to public officials. For prosecutors, that means that when you walk into court, you get a little bit of deference, that the judge isn't necessarily going to question your motivations in bringing the case. That particular preference, that presumption, is really going out the window. Now, DOJ has been doing such a lousy job professionally in the courts. A lot of judges aren't trusting them anymore. Not to mention, they're obviously doing very politically motivated prosecutions right now. So I think we need to reframe how we look at and analyze these indictments coming out of the Trump DOJ now, which are targeting these political enemies of Trump, or rather critics of Trump, as coming from a place where you cannot trust what's being told to you. So it doesn't start with the idea, as you're going to hear a lot about in the media, people saying, oh, this is a much meatier indictment. It has more weight to it. I mean, it literally has more weight to it. I mean, it's like 26 pages versus Comey's, which is like 2 pages. But we mustn't be fooled by the fact that the appearance of this one looks more weighty. It's more of a traditional, what they call speaking indictment. It lays out the things that Bolton allegedly did wrong. Can't be fooled by that because it doesn't change the bad motivation. And we'll dive into it a little bit to understand what the clues are on the bad motivation.